In today's evolving mining landscape, safety and efficiency are key to success. Orica, a global leader in mining solutions, introduces the HandyMaster, the latest addition to a cutting-edge, industry-leading range of bulk explosives delivery systems designed to enhance blasting efficiency and safety across complex operations in India. Prior to manufacturing bulk explosives each day, the HandyMaster is loaded with the explosive precursors required for optimal explosives performance. Designed with a focus on operational efficiency and operator safety, the delivery system incorporates advanced operator safety features, including durable no-slip walkways and four-sided handrails to mitigate the hazards associated with working at heights. The HandyMaster is designed to deliver high-finished product payloads and the flexibility to tailor augered and pumped product delivery rates based on the application, bringing productivity and bulk explosives loading precision to your operation. The unique features of HandyMaster include a product delivery discharge auger positioned at the rear of the delivery system that enables ANFO and heavy ANFO product loading. An intuitive PLC control system with ease of access for operators and 3 separate storage compartments designed to carry ammonium nitrate or ammonium nitrate emulsion. For pumped products, the HandyMaster offers twin pumped product delivery hoses that can be operated sequentially, maximizing productivity. One hose prepares while the other delivers, ensuring continuous operation and eliminating time between holes for optimal loading efficiency. The HandyMaster makes for the ideal delivery system to introduce Orica's Fortis bulk system. Fortis provides customers with access to varying explosive energy relative to conventional products offered in the Indian market. The high explosive energy of Fortis can be used to improve fragmentation and equipment productivity in both wet and dry hole applications. With pattern expansion, the extra energy of Fortis can be used to expand patterns whilst maintaining the same energy per BCM and reduce overall drill and blast cost. Orica's Fortis and HandyMaster offer the perfect blend of safety, innovation and efficiency, leading the way in explosive technology for the Indian mining market.